I'm from Switzerland, from the northern part where they speak German. That means my native language is Swiss and German. And I'm a musical theatre performer. My goal, my life goal, is to be in the West End. I also want to improve my English pronunciation because I think it could really help me in singing.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, oi, oi.
Good. After.
After.
Answer.
Answer.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Good.
Extraordinary.
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 Good.
Bigger business isn't better business, but better business brings bigger rewards. I mean, it's really helpful that I've been given these corrections. Now I'm aware of them. Now I can try to work on them.
E. U.
I'd always be like, do you know what I mean?